Hi everyone, this is Sudeep Shaha, astronumerologist, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share my astrological views for the Indian stock market for the upcoming Diwali week. So it's going to be a shortened week. And before I start the video, I would request you guys to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon and select all so that you continue to receive timely notifications about my upcoming videos. So before I start, let me just review my last week's prediction. For the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about a turbulence, I've been cautioning you on various fronts, and you have seen the result. Though on Monday, I thought that the index had bottomed out and I had shared it through the community post, but still I told you to stay cautious, because on the screen, I was seeing a few more falls. Though this falls, was much more, the intensity was much more than what I had anticipated, but still, and that's why, I cautioned you, because I could see a few more falls in the previous week. In fact, you had seen like the index had decisively crossed 18,000 and it was moving towards 18,300, and that time only I made the community post so that you guys do not get trapped into the market. And you have seen like those who got trapped at the upper levels, they did not get an opportunity to exit. So stay cautious. Even you have seen like the stocks, like what had happened to them. The markets were, the stocks were literally bleeding. You can see IRCTC as one of them, then Tata Motors, IEX, just to name a few. And so whatever you do, because we are actually moving towards very interesting times, and that's the reason why last week I told you to avoid investing any fresh funds into the market, because we are moving towards very interesting times, and rather I would say that very difficult times. And this was just a trailer about the upcoming period. Okay, so anyways, let's not waste too much of time in discussing in all this. Let's just move straight on to the topic. So in the upcoming week, the shortened week, it's going to be a festive week. So I wish you guys a very happy festive season ahead. Have a very happy Diwali, Dhanteras, Kali Pujo, Saal Mubarak, Bhai Dooj. So in the upcoming week, I can see that there will be a bounce in the market. I am expecting some recovery in from the lower levels in the market, especially in the banking sector. You may focus over there as well. And just whatever you do, remember you do it with strict stop losses. I'm sure nobody would want to waste their festive season, because the difficult times are still not over. And this week is indicating like you're going to see a recovery from the lower levels. And wait for my video on Diwali. So there I'm going to discuss everything in detail. So till then, I wish you guys a very happy festive week ahead. Stay healthy and stay safe. Namaskar.